In the ever-evolving world of technology, your business needs reliable solutions to overcome any digital hurdle. Introducing Tradify Services, Qatar's trusted experts in chip-level computer, mobile, and enterprise electronic repairs. From technical glitches to accidental mishaps, TFS is here to handle it all. With our comprehensive range of services, we provide seamless solutions for all your technology needs. Our team of advanced chip-level technicians possesses the expertise to address a wide array of issues, from fixing water-damaged devices to performing software updates and resolving technical glitches. Whether it's a cracked screen, a device that took a tumble, or a software that needs an update, our skilled technicians have the knowledge and experience to fix it promptly and efficiently. At TFS, we understand the importance of keeping your devices in optimal condition. Our services include screen replacements, thorough technical troubleshooting, and repairing accidental damage. With TFS as your reliable partner, you can rest easy knowing that your devices are in capable hands. We provide reliable and affordable solutions that ensure the seamless operation of your electronic devices. Tradify Services, your one-stop destination for all your technology repair and support needs. Contact us today to experience the power of seamless technology solutions with TFS. Visit our website www.tradifyservices.com or call us on +9 7477221606, +9 74306 53999, Nasrallah Complex, 1st floor, Office 10 Al Ghafiqi Street, Farij bin Mahmoud, Doha, Qatar, P.O. Box 18325.